Non-primitive data types are known as reference types. Reference types hold references to objects and provide a means to access those objects stored somewhere in memory. The memory locations are irrelevant to programmers. In contrast, we use reference types to store complex objects like date object. All reference types are a subclass of type java.lang.object. Let's describe it using an example. First of all, I declare a primitive type for my account balance variable, which can be double. Then we assign a number to this variable, let's say 200.87. And now I'm going to declare a reference type, and then we will take a look some difference between these two data types. I'm going to declare a date type. The date class that we are going to use belongs to java.util package. In Java, we have to import the appropriated package to be able to use its classes. IntelliJ helps us in this way. When we import a class, IntelliJ will import the proper package automatically. Here you can see that the java.utility.date package is imported there. Let's continue to declare the date variable. Date is a type of our variable like integer or double. Now, we need to give it a variable name. Let's say today, and now we need to allocate memory for this variable. As I said before, this is one of the differences between primitive and non-primitive or reference types. In primitive types, Java runtime environments allocates and releases the memory. But in reference types, we have to allocate memory during declaration. To do this, we repeat the name of our class like this. This called instantiation. The new operator instantiates a class by allocating memory for a new object and returning a reference to that memory. Here we created an object that is an instance of date class. There is another difference between primitive types and reference types. Every reference type may have some members, which are available using a dot after the class name. This is the point that you may not see in primitive types. In this case, we instantiate date class in today variable. Now we can access all of the date members when we add a dot after today, and as you see there are a bunch of members here, which belong to date class. For example, we can have the actual time and date using getTime method. This returns the time component of this object. But now, I am not going to talk about these members. Let's take a look at our today variable value in the terminal. As I said before, we can print the value of a variable using system class. Note that names are case sensitive in Java. We call system class and then outfield and then print line method. Here, we need to enter the name of our variable, which we are going to print in the terminal. Here I am going to pass our today object like this. Let's run our program. We are now able to see what's inside our today variable. The actual date and time, as we expected. To check if you have learned this chapter, please answer this question in the comment section. Declare a string variable and assign I am learning Java value to this variable. Please write if string is a primitive type or a reference type. If you like to get new updates, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. You can ask your questions or share your idea in the comment section or in the channel community.